Everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to talk about what is the parent account in Salesforce. So let's say that you are going to have a lead. This lead is like a big lead, hot lead, and the lead is automatically an account and also he's a contact for you. So when you have a account, parent account means, so let's say that this account is big one and this account has multiple more companies. So this is a parent account and this parent account has many more accounts. So this is how it works. And you got the hierarchy here, right? So this is here, this is here, this is here. Or you can create the hierarchy like this. So, that you are going to create a hierarchy like this. So this is a parent company and this is the second parent company. And this company has two companies, but the parent company is this one here. So this is what is a parent company in Salesforce. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.